Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Good news is nag-close yung daily time frame ng green candle, forming pin bar and above average yung volume, and silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So yesterday, nag-create yung BTC ng another low, but yung technical analysis natin, the moment na magkaroon tayo ng breakout sa resistance, possible na pasukan tayo ng buyers. Good news is pinasukan tayo ng buyers and nagkaroon pa tayo ng pullback. And currently, lumilipad yung BTC. So sa lower time frame, this is forming symmetrical triangle. Possible this is a continuation the moment na basagin ni BTC yung resistance area natin. But the moment na basagin niya yung support area, possible na magkaroon pa tayo ng pullback. But good news is, nagkaroon tayo ng green candle sa daily and pinasukan tayo ng buyers. So BTC is trying to gain momentum to uptrend momentum.